For the second time in 2 months, the Wisconsin Supreme Court has upheld evidence supplied to law enforcement from Google. They say Google can be used to convict someone on child pornography charges. A Jefferson County man claimed that Google violated his Fourth Amendment rights when they flagged child sexual abuse material that was stored in his Google photos. Google gave his name, his location, and IP address to law enforcement so they could investigate. Yesterday, the Supreme Court found that Google was not working in coordination with law enforcement and instead was following their own terms of use, which resulted in law enforcement investigating this further.